Do I need permission to renovate my property? In most cases, no, you won't need permission to renovate, but there are most definitely a few important exceptions to keep in mind. If you're altering anything structurally, you're going to need a structural engineer to design it and building control to look over it and make sure it's been correctly installed. If you're altering the drainage, the same applies. It needs to be inspected by building control. If your home is a listed building, you must consult with the conservation officer, even for internal changes. If you live in a conservation area, things like replacing windows, doors, or roofing materials may possibly need permission as well. If you're planning to convert a loft or a garage, you could maybe need both planning permissions and building regulation approval. Major electrical or plumbing work, some of that falls under building regulations as well, so it's going to have to be signed off. Often though, your tradesperson will be able to self-certify, but it's well worth asking them before they actually start. Even external changes like sheds, fences may potentially need permission if they're close to your boundary or too high. The safe for this move is to check with your local council before starting any major work, and always involve a professional when in doubt. It's far cheaper than trying to fix it later. Follow me for more renovation tips.